Hi everyone, welcome to Javascript Daily channel. Today I want to make amazing things by the name of carousel in JavaScript. Let's start. First we make a div by the name of carousel. Inside of this div we have another div by the name of carousel item, and also we have give another name carousel item visible. Inside of this div we have one image. We give the source name image1, and another div we have. Inside of this div we have another image. We give 10. We give name for this div carousel item, and just we copy this and paste it. 1 2 3 4. That's enough. Just we change the name of this one. That's 10. Let's make 3 4 5, and the last one 6. Let's see. Yes, it worked completely. Now we have two buttons. Again we have one div. We give the class name for this carousel action. Inside of this div we have two buttons. One of them is like this, and the next one we swap this. Again we give name for this class carousel button dash preview. Give this next, and we give for them label area label. This one previous, slide, and next slide. Yes, let's see it work or no. Yes, it worked. Now we gave them some style for this. First we start from class of carousel. The max width should be 600 pixel, and position should be relative. Yes, and carousel item slash carousel item dash hiding. Give display dash none. And we have that carousel item visible. We have this one, this class name. We give display should be block, and animation should be fit. Animation fit visibility d 0.5 second. we have carousel carousel item image. We give width 100%, max width 600 pixel, and height should be good. Yes, we have an carousel dash action. We give display flex with 100 pixel, 100%. Justify content, justify should be space between, and position should be absolute, and top should be 50%, and transform translate X, no, translate Y should be minus 50%. Let's see. Yes. Now we give some style for button. Carousel action button. Border radius should be 50 pixel. Background color should be white. Border should be 0, and cursor should be pointer with 48 pixel, 40 pixel, as I think that's enough. Height also be 50 pixel. Let's see. Yes. And the carousel action button, the margin left should be 20 pixels. Yes. Again we carousel actions button slash cursor next margin right should be 20 pixels. Minus 20 pixel. Okay, we'll make this one and add key. Okay, it's not work. Let's see. Here we have class, but we use ID. We put dot here. Now it works. Okay, we have another one, key firm. We have fit visibility. %, should be opacity 0, and 100% the opacity should be 1. Yes. Now let's come to in JavaScript. We remove this and let's come to JavaScript parts. We declare a const slides document dot get element by class name. The name of class should be carousel item. Yes, and we have another variable by the name of slide position. equal to 0, and another variable we have const total slides equal to slide dot length. Now we have document dot get element by id. We have let me change this one to the id, and again come in part of CSS we put the place, instead of dot we put okay. We copy this and paste it here. We give a listener for that, add event listener, and we have click, and we have another function by the name of move to next slide. Okay, we copy this and we put here, just change it the name of id, and we change the name of the function, move to previous slide. Okay, now we have one function by the name of height all slide. Inside this function we have a for loop. Let slide of slides slide dot class list dot remove which one? Carousel item visible. We have one function, one name, carousel item visible. Again we have add slide dot classlet dot add. We have carousel item hiding. Carousel dash item hiding. Now we have the function of to move the next slide. Function move to next slide. We call hide all slides function also here. If slide position equal to total slides minus 1, the slide position should be 0, otherwise the slide position should be slide slides. We have one array slide position dot class list dot add. We have carousel item visible. We put it here. Now let's come to the next function by the name of move to previous slide. Hide, again we call hide all slides function. If slide position equal to 0, the slide position equal to total slide minus 1. Else, otherwise, the slide position should be minus. We have again slide position dot classless dot add dot cursor was. Now let's see how it works. We refresh. Yes, it worked completely. Okay, thanks for watching, and goodbye.